Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn your natural hair into a slick bun. You're not going to be needing much for this video. So first we're going to spray water into our hair because water makes your hair softer. Obviously everyone knows that. So we're going to spray water to help prepare the hair for its journey, the journey it's about to go through. And after applying water, I'm going to comb my hair, to make sure it's well detangled. Yeah, my hair is really hard right now because it's in its natural form. I didn't apply any product whatsoever before doing this video, so you can see the stress I'm actually going through right now. But yeah, I'm going to keep combing until it's detangled. So as you can see, I applied more water on my hair because I felt it was hard and I needed it to be soft, which is a bad idea. Do not apply too much water on your hair when you're going to put in gel. You'll find that as the video goes on. Now I'm using a picking comb because picking comb helps me get my hair into a full fro. So yeah, I'm going to pick out my hair with the picking comb, get it in fro. Next, we're applying our shea butter into our hair, into my hair, because shea butter makes the hair softer. Shea butter, any kind of oil literally works for the hair. It could be olive oil, it could be coconut oil, any oil is okay, but for me I have shea butter, so I'm just going to massage my shea butter into my hair, to get it soft. And yeah, I applied a little more shea butter because I was looking for the easy way out. Like I felt like my hair was still too hard, so yeah, I applied more shea butter. So you don't need too much quantity anyways, so yeah. Next, I'm going to comb my hair after applying the shea butter. So my hair has been combed into a full fro. Next thing we're going to do is apply our eco gel. Yeah, every natural queen out there has eco gel, or any gel is okay, but yeah, I'm going to apply my eco gel. I'm going to start with a little quantity of eco gel. As time goes on I'm going to apply more, so yeah, just put in my eco gel. So now I'm going to comb my hair again, and I'm combing into the direction that I want the hair to go. So yeah, I'm just going to comb around my hair. Okay, so I'm applying more gel. Like I said, as time goes on I'm going to be applying little quantity. Okay, so now I'm going to make use of my brush. Now if you have a harder brush it's okay, but for me this is the brush I have. It's not so hard, but it works for me. So yeah, I'm just going to brush my hair it helps give you that slick look, you get. So yeah, a smooth hair, smoothing the gel on your hair. And I'm applying more gel at the back of my hair because you know the back hair is always harder to get it to smooth down. Well, yeah, we're going to apply more gel and then brush through it once more. So as you can see, my hair is already going to the direction I want it to go. So yeah, a lot of people use a band on their hair, which is okay. Yeah, but for me, I have a full hair, and when I use a band, my hair just kind of keeps coming out and doesn't stay longer for me when I use a band. But you can try using a band. If it doesn't work out, then I advise you to just use a rope. So yeah, now I'm going to tie my rope, and I'm going to drag from the back. So yeah, I'm just going to tie it, and then when I tie it, I'm going to keep dragging from the back. Depends on how far I want it to go, so I just keep dragging. And most people like to leave their hair at this stage because they want a puffy kind of look, like pineapple puff. Yeah, that's what it's called. But yeah, people like to leave it this way. It's another style, it's a puffy look. So you just pick your comb, your picking comb, and then you brush it out, yeah, to make it fuller. And then you, when you're tying, after tying, you have to like double the rope around your hair and then just put it under your hair so it doesn't fall out when you go out. So yeah, this is, I don't know what you call it, but I like to call it a pineapple puff. You get. So yeah, this is a pineapple puff. And when you're tying your hair, don't let it get too far. You can, I mean, if you don't want it to even get to this extent, you can just tie your hair, don't let it get too far, and then just leave it. So this is for this look. If you want it here, you stop here, apply more gel, apply edge control to your front line, yeah, and or to your edges. Yeah, apply edge control to your edges. But this is not what we're going for, so we're going to keep dragging until we get a bun. So yeah, I just keep dragging the rope through my hair, and yeah, you can see we're almost there. Please don't drag your rope too tight, because when you drag it too tight, trust me, you're going to have headache, like serious headache. So you should just slightly drag your rope, and when you get to a bun stage, then you can tie it and put it right under your hair, through the rope under your hair. And now I'm using my picking comb to just pick it out, make sure it's a little puffy, but then it's a bun, you get. So I'm going to apply a little more gel to smoothen my hair. So you can see how smooth my back hair is. You can see how sleek on fleek, you get. So yeah, that's how I apply my gel, and you see it's smooth. My front hair is smooth. So now we're using edges. No, we're doing edges. This is edge control. I use Air Max because that's what I have. So yeah, I use Air Max for my edges. I'm going to use my brush to take it out and apply it on my edges. So yeah, I'm just going to apply some there. That whole front edge you see online, that's what I'm doing right here. It's not so difficult. Just pick your hair out and then take it to the direction you want. As you can see, now if you would notice, there was a white substance on my hair while the video was going on. That was as a result of too much water, but due to the fact that I was using a rope to drag my hair, the rope was able to like just take out that white substance you see on my hair, the whitish stuff. It was too much water, and gel to mix together. So when you're applying your gel, your water, please try to just spray a little water on your hair. A little water is also going to help soften your hair. So yeah, that's it. Now we're going to tie my hair. You know why this stage come up? Because you want your edges to stay laid even when you go out. You don't want your hair to be blown away by the breeze and you start looking like a grandma. So yeah, you tie your hair, tie the edges tight, and then you leave it on for like 20 to 30 minutes. Now it's 20 minutes. I actually left mine on for 20 minutes and you can see my edges. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Do subscribe. Thank you. Bye.